This is Palette 300, the world's first 12 nozzles technology. What made it different is that we adopt 12 nozzles, and that's the completely new solution in the industry. So basically, if you print anything under 12 color, it generates no purge, because anytime you're gonna get the filament change, you just drop the nozzle into head to the bottom and pick out another one. So the purge will be stored inside the nozzle. We also have dual tools on behind connecting two modules, which means it can load or unload the filament simultaneously, so it can be more efficient when you get the filament change. And also we have our new filament box, contains 6 filaments. The machine can connect up to 6 filament boxes, which means you can print 36 colors in one print. Also, we have upgraded our slicer software and made it easier to use. It's our main concept to lower the user bar. It is the 3rd day of the show. In the first 2 days of this show, it was crazy, and you can see all the people lining up here. We can see that many people were interested in our new solution. This is our first time showing our ecosystem, the filament zones, the products, the printing module, and everything. So just stay tuned to our brand, and thank you.